Alright, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something kind of revisiting it. This is this fancy Hakubaku restaurant style Tonkotsu pork ramen noodles. You can find these on Amazon pretty easily. And yeah, so we're going to cook some of this up because it's good, you know. So let's see, what's the deal? First off, it's got like, check these noodles out. They're not hard, they're soft. And I don't know how they make them so they're soft, shelf stable like that. But there's a lot of varieties that come from Japan that are that way. They call them souvenir ramen. So if you go to a really fancy ramen restaurant in Japan, oh man, I wish I could bring some home to my family. You can. They come in boxes and they're super expensive. These are more than, you know, like a pack of top ramen or, you know, what have you. Like, they're not 5 for $1. But they're definitely of higher quality. And really good. 2 minutes. Yeah. Boil the noodles for 2 minutes for hard, or 2.5 for soft. Add the bowl, add toppings. Okay, and so let's do that. Let's get that part of our thing going. And what I'm going to attempt is to make this kind of a extra spicy tonkatsu today. Yeah, so first off, this is not a seasoning. This is, keeps them dry. But yeah, look at these noodles. They're all wavy, fresh style. There we go. In the hot for 2 minutes. And to make the broth, I have this hot water, and you just take this, go like that, dump it in, and there you go. You have to stir it too, I know, details, but so there we go. And how are you doing over there? You're doing good. Unfortunately, the audio track we're enjoying is going to die shortly just due to the fact that it's almost out of batteries. But tonkatsu, but that's all right. Turn the heat down a little bit. I have yet to make anything really like violently boil over on our new stove, and I'm trying to keep it that way. You know. So that's doing well. And yeah, I've got egg, I've got chashu, norimaki, other stuff, spicy stuff. So this will be enjoyable for you. You'll enjoy this, as I'm sure you are at this moment. If you're not, then I invite you to start enjoying it, because that's really the way. It just makes things better if you do what you're supposed to be doing, right? Can that help? Alright, so there's our bowl, there's our pot. Let's drain the noodles. Okay. Drop them into the bowl. let's make it so you can see what's going on right now. Let's get you right up close and personal. There you go. Make them more cohesive. There we go. Oh, you're getting all fogged up. There. Here's our broth. Now, as far as heating it up, I'm going to use some chili oil. This is house brand, but there's a lot of different chili oils out there. Kind of neat. They got this little button on top. It's not going to make everything like violently spicy, but it's a nice addition. It's like a spicy sesame oil. Then we've got this, same thing as Shichimi Togarashi, but it's just a different brand. A few brands do this. And it's just basically like a 7-spice mix. There we go. And let's give the egg a try. I'm hoping it's going to work with us today. It looks like it's in a good mood. I like eggs of good character. Eggs that work with me are good eggs. It's being pretty good. There. And what else we got? Oh yeah. Naruto. Chashu. Mung bean sprouts. I freaking love mung bean sprouts. If you haven't figured that out yet, that's kind of like my biggest favorite. Spring onion. And some seeds. And honestly, it's pretty spicy, but I want to make it even more spicy, so let's dump some more all over the place. And there we go. And we're going to put on something else. And let Rotato do its magic. Alright, well thank you very much to the folks over at Hakubaku USA for shooting this over. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.